Welcome back to Community Roundup. Preserve, promote and persevere. Despite its small beginnings, Shishu Bharati has lived and thrived by this mantra, growing over the decades to teach over 1,000 children about their Indian heritages. Well, the vast Shishu Bharati community students, volunteers, alumni, parents and faculty gathered together in Boston to celebrate the graduation of its class of 2015, the largest class ever to graduate from this institution.
Shishu Bharati, the School of Languages and Culture of India, is a non-profit school with branches in Lexington, Walpole and Nashua और Boston, New England area में ऑर्गेनाइज की गई दी 27th graduation ceremony of Shishu Bharati, जिसमें पार्टिसिपेट किया शिशु भारती के स्टूडेंट्स, their parents, teachers and school alumni ने.
Shishu Bharati actually started almost 38 and 39 years back with few folks, five people. But now we have about 1,000 students, almost close to 1,000 students at 3 locations. One is Lexington, that's the main branch, and Nashua is the second branch, and Walpole is the third branch. So altogether, we have about 1,000 students, and this is almost this 39th year of Shishu Bharati. And this is the 27th graduation ceremony, and this is the biggest graduation ceremony. And usually we have about 40 students every year. This year we have about 60 students. So this is a very special graduation for us, and so it's very proud of these students, and it's so nice that we could do it. So.
Shishu Bharati provides educational programs in Indian culture and languages for students of all ages. Shishu Bharati was founded by a small group of parents who had immigrated to the US from India and wanted to pass on their knowledge of their mother tongue and rich cultural heritage to their children.
Journey is from very long time, that is true. But then Shishu Bharati was very small. The problems were different. And now Shishu Bharati is so well known all over. Even we have article done by people coming from India in Bombay area that how good this, why we can do it. And we do it only with volunteers. And this is in the name of volunteers and volunteerism, this has flourished. This place has flourished now from a very small population. We are 3 schools, 900 plus population.
I think Shishu Bharati, every parent should bring the child to the Shishu Bharati, and a reason is it gives us the perspective to see the world, especially in this country, perspective of two countries together, having the culture of both countries, keeping ourselves as Indian and having as a balance of the culture of American. So this is what Shishu Bharati stands for.
इस ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी के कीनोट स्पीकर रहे विजय कुमार, जिन्होंने वॉलंटियरिज्म के लिए कम्युनिटी से अपील की.
I think the message that I wanted to communicate today is about volunteerism. And in fact, this message is more towards the parents rather than the children, because once the parents make volunteerism as a part of their daily life, when I say daily, it can be weekly or monthly, but when they make it part of their life, their children and eventually their grandchildren will pick up on those traits and make it a part of their life for generations to come.
कम्युनिटी करती है प्रयास अपनी रूट से जुड़े रहने के, और शिशु भारती जैसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस इस काम में उसकी मदद करती हैं, ताकि नेक्स्ट जनरेशंस के लिए आसान हो अपनी आइडेंटिटी को समझना और इस तरह एस्टैब्लिश किया जा सके अ गुड एंड क्लियर कम्युनिकेशन बिटवीन यंग कम्युनिटी मेंबर्स एंड देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स बैक होम.
Sanskrit